Hello people, welcome back to Pepperfield. We just witnessed another green week on Nifty, Nifty making fresh highs every day. Hope everybody's trades were positive for the last week. We too made good money in the last week. JSW Energy, the chart we shared on last week, the levels marked were 120 and 115. It just break out from 120 and it just given a movement nearly 16 to 18% in just 1 week. The power of price action, that's what I would say. The last week it was near 116 and now it's near 135. The same thing happened with Hindustan Petrol Limited. The level we were watching was 282 and we just witnessed a breakout and now we are over a profit of like 6 to 8% in just 1 week. The same thing happened with Oriental Bell Limited. We shared the chart on last week video. That time it was trading near 270. It just given a breakout from the level 277 and now it's trading near 315. 14 to 15% in just 1 week. Again, the power of support and resistance, price action, that's what I would say. Okay, that's a summary of last trades. And now welcome to Pepperfield. Let's move to this week video, the stocks that has the good potential to give good breakouts in the coming trading sessions. Before that, if you are new to this channel, support us by subscribing the channel. We post contents, charts that are good for traders as well as for investors. So without any delay, let's get started. The first stock is Jindal Steel. As we can see, over the last month, the stock was kind of moving downwards and now over the last couple of weeks, like 2-3 weeks, it was consolidating over a particular range. Level we can look out for is from 390 to 405. Again 390 to 405. Sustaining above the level we can look for buying opportunities and sustaining below the level we can look for shorting opportunities. And if it is giving a breakout, if it's moving down, then the immediate support or the immediate target will be at 350. And if it's giving a breakout from the level from 405, the immediate target will be at 450, which will be a kind of resistance. So the levels we can look out for is from 390 to 405. And now let's see the next stock. The next stock is Godrej Industries. The stock was on a bull run on a larger perspective, and for the last couple of weeks we can see a strong consolidation over a small range, and the range we can look out for is from 520 to 533. Again 520 to 533. Above the range we can look for buying opportunities and below the range we can look for selling opportunities. We can see that a strong kind of consolidation with a triangle pattern. So definitely watch out for this stock. And giving a breakout from 520, the immediate target we can look out for is 500. And if it's giving a breakout from 535, the immediate target will be at 550. 550. Okay, so the range we can look out for is from 520 to 532. The next stock is ICIL. Again we can see a triangle pattern, and for the last 1 week we can see a strong consolidation over a very narrow range. The range we can look out for is from 150 to 158, and if it's giving a breakout from 158, the immediate target will be near to 170, 168, 170. 170 is a kind of strong resistance. So if it's breaking 170, we can expect a good up movement from 170. And coming to the downside, if it's giving a breakout from 150, the immediate support is at 140. 140 to 135. Our target will be based on that. So the levels we have to watch out for is from 150 to 158. And now let's see the next stock. The next stock is Manappuram Finance. Over the last 1 month, the stock is on a bullish movement, and we can see that the stock is respecting a trend line as a support, and now it's forming a triangle pattern. For the last couple of weeks we can see a strong consolidation over a very narrow range, and the levels we can look out for is from 158 to 165. Above 165, the immediate resistance is at 180. So if it's giving a breakout from 165, we can place our target at 180. And coming to the downside, if it's giving a breakout from 158, the immediate support will be at 145. So our target will be according to that. So the levels we should watch out is from 158 to 165. Again 158 to 165. The next stock is Power Grid Corporation. Over the last 1 month, we can see the formation of a triangle pattern, and over the last couple of weeks, a good consolidation over a very narrow range. The range is so narrow, indicating that there will be a good movement in the coming trading sessions. The range we have to look out is from 2242 to 28. Again, the range is so narrow, indicating that there will be a good movement in the coming trading sessions. And for the swing traders, if it's giving a breakout from 2 to 8, the immediate target will be near to 240, which is a kind of resistance. And if it's coming to the downside, if it's breaking 2 to 4, we can look out for targets near to 215, which is a kind of support. So add this stock to your watch list. The range is so narrow for the last couple of days, indicating that there will be a good movement in the coming days. That's all for this short video. Again, if you are new to this channel, subscribe us. We will post good contents each week that are good for traders as well as for investors. So that's all. Happy trading.